increasing employment opportunities for youth in Nava Raipur. The beginning of a new era in the IT sector. Nava Raipur is fast becoming a new IT hub, keeping India at the forefront of the global IT sector. Our country is a country of youth, and the youth constitute about 20% of the population of Chhattisgarh. To connect these young people with the IT sector on the global stage, Nava Raipur Atal Nagar has been developed as an IT hub. The Central Business District was developed by the Nava Raipur Atal Nagar Vikas Pradhikaran to provide world-class commercial facilities to the multinational companies and other institutions, as well as to provide better employment opportunities to the youth.
We want private participation wherein the jobs are generated and the total ecosystem of the city is there. And we are still in touch with ITS players to get some all India level or multinationals who will come here.
Nava Raipur Atal Nagar Vikas Pradhikaran has built a multi-story commercial complex in Sector 21. This complex is 5 kilometers from the airport and 2.2 kilometers from the railway station and the ministry. In this tallest building of the state, 280,000 square feet of the built-up area has been earmarked for the IT sector. Furnished built-up space has been allotted at attractive rates. In the first round, 1,800 furnished seats were allotted to 2 IT companies. The first is Square Business Services of Hyderabad, with 1,000 employees and an annual turnover of rupees 20 crores. The second is Radical Minds Technologies of Delhi, with 5,500 employees and an annual turnover of rupees 93 crore. Applications have also been received from companies in the second phase. To create employment for the state's youth, the authority is also connecting national and international IT and ITES companies with various technical educational institutions of the state. Through this initiative, 4,000 youth will get employment. The target is to bring about 10,000 youth in the mainstream employment by the end of the year. To create jobs for the youth in their own state, eStart is being launched. With this initiative of Nava Raipur Atal Nagar Vikas Pradhikaran, a database of more and more youth is being prepared, making it easy to connect youth from technical and non-technical backgrounds with companies coming to the CBD.
छत्तीसगढ़ के यूथ के लिए सर बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। तो एमएनसी और बहुत अच्छे जो कंपनीज आएगी, यहाँ पे एक कल्चर डेवलप होगा, कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर। अगर कंपनीज आएगी तो हम गवर्नमेंट की तैयारी नहीं करेंगे। अगर बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज आती है यहाँ पे, हम वहीं जाएंगे, वही करेंगे सर, उसके पीछे ही जाएंगे, क्योंकि हम हर कोई सर दिल्ली बॉम्बे नहीं जा सकता ना।
डेफिनेटली अच्छा प्रयास है, क्योंकि अब आपको खुद से घर पे भर लोगे फॉर्म तो अच्छा ही प्रयास है, क्योंकि आपको कहीं जाके फॉर्म ढूंढना नहीं पड़ेगा कहाँ फॉर्म भरना है, कौन सी कंपनीज़ में डालना है, आपका खुद से ही हो जाएगा। मतलब आप फॉर्म भर दिए तो फिर वो अगर कंपनीज़ को आपकी उनको लगेगा कि आपकी ज़रूरत है तो वो कॉल या फिर जो भी जैसे भी आपको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
In the future, a candidate CV will already be available with the upcoming multinational companies, and the youth will not have to wander for employment. Nava Raipur Atal Nagar Vikas Pradhikaran's priority is to strengthen the state's economy through CBD and provide every youth with access to employment. Nava Raipur Atal Nagar, emerging as an IT hub, will give Chhattisgarh an important place on the global stage and a new dimension to the livelihood of the youth of the state.